here to deliver. Can I tell you what Jamia Ashrafia creates? You may call it an alim, but I will call it Jamia Ashrafia create soldiers of the deen of Islam. They create soldiers of the deen of Islam. When they today in your graduation, when you tie your dastar bandi, you tie the kafan of iman onto them. Why? They are going into the battlefront. Remember, they are not frightened to shed their blood. I speak of experience of many international gratitude that stand here today, from Holland, from Denmark, and various places. They are never shy to defend the Indah of the Prophet ﷺ. And let me share with you, my dear respected, today if you look at the Palestine as a global issue, and what is Israel doing, we cannot rely on the Muslim countries. We cannot rely on Dubai. We cannot rely on Saudi Arabia. They are the puppets of America. But what gladly you can rely on, that Hafiz and Millet, the trade, the manufacturing of this Darul of students here today will save and protect the deen of Islam. And I must say to you, my dear